Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how machine learning can catapult businesses into different industries? In this video, I have the answer for you. Imagine a world where machines can learn from data and make intelligent decisions. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is transforming industries across the board. Let's show you how machine learning is being used in different sectors. In the sales and marketing industry, machine learning is revolutionizing the way businesses connect with their customers. Personalized recommendations and targeted marketing campaigns are now possible. These algorithms analyze customer behavior and preferences to deliver relevant content and offers, increasing conversion rates and sales. Companies like Amazon and Netflix already use machine learning to provide personalized recommendations, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. Machine learning is also making its mark in the finance industry, transforming how businesses assess risk and make data-driven decisions. Machine learning algorithms excel at fraud detection and prevention, identifying patterns indicative of fraudulent activities and saving businesses from financial losses. Credit scoring and loan approval processes are being automated with machine learning models, analyzing credit history and relevant factors to make accurate decisions. When it comes to portfolio management, machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, identifying investment opportunities and optimizing strategies for better returns. Automation and efficiency are key benefits of machine learning, streamlining business processes and improving productivity. Tasks that were once repetitive and time-consuming can now be automated, freeing up human resources for more strategic activities. Machine learning algorithms optimize supply chain management, improving inventory management, production planning, and logistics for better efficiency. Machine learning enables real-time quality control by analyzing sensor data, detecting anomalies, and predicting equipment failures, leading to enhanced product quality and customer satisfaction. In the healthcare industry, machine learning is driving breakthroughs in patient care, diagnostics, and drug development. Machine learning algorithms analyze patient data and medical images, assisting healthcare professionals in disease diagnosis and treatment planning for better patient outcomes. Machine learning accelerates the drug discovery process, identifying potential candidates and predicting their efficacy, leading to the development of more effective treatments. With machine learning, health monitoring and predictive analytics are transforming patient management, enabling early detection of diseases and personalized interventions. Machine learning is reshaping industries across the board, from sales and marketing to finance, automation, and healthcare. Its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, make accurate predictions, and automate processes is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. If you enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting video content like this. Join our community and be part of the Weburban family. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. We appreciate your support and can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching.